Hey lads, TechScanning here. So as Qualcomm just launched its mighty Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the good news for the smartphone gaming lovers, Asus is also getting ready to launch its ROG Phone 9 series. And luckily, we just not only received its confirmed launch date and key details, but also how the handset will look like. The ROG Phone 9 series is expected to include two handsets, the standard ROG Phone 9 and ROG Phone 9 Pro. So thanks to some hands-on and official renders, the ROG Phone 9 will be pretty much identical to the ROG Phone 8 series, maintaining its gaming aesthetics. A pentagon-shaped rear camera island housing 3 camera sensors and a flashlight. And now there is also a red strip on the camera island, which is in my opinion giving it a nice gaming touch. Plus there is also a cool looking display on the bottom of the rear panel. Moving to the front of the handset, like usual, there will be a quite slim bezels flat display with a 32 megapixel punch hole style selfie camera. For the display, it is said to be the same 6.78 inches LTPO screen with up to super smooth 165Hz refresh rate alongside a 2500 nits peak brightness. In terms of color options, there will be storm white and phantom black. So what do you think about the design and color options of the ROG Phone 9 series? Next, talking about the other key specs, the ROG Phone 9 series is confirmed to get the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This is the Qualcomm's latest masterpiece with 2 prime cores clocking at an impressive 4.32 GHz. Though it is remained to be tested, but as per Qualcomm, the 8 Elite will offer an incredible 45% CPU and 44% energy efficiency compared to the 8 Gen 4. Also, it brings a 40% GPU boost and 35% faster ray tracing, which are, to be honest, huge numbers. So we guess the ROG Phone 9 series will undoubtedly be the most powerful gaming-centric smartphones. Now, if you are concerned about the cameras, sadly it is not that much powerful. The ROG Phone 9 will sport a 50 megapixel Sony LYT700 as a main, a 13 megapixel ultra wide, and surprisingly a 5 megapixel macro sensor instead of 32 megapixel telephoto, which seems a significant downgrade. Moving forward, the ROG Phone 9 series will also get a taste of AI, and gladly we already know some of the features. There will be an AI grabber that lets you take text from games, AI object sense, AI hyper clarity for images, call translator and some more. The ROG Phone 9 will be packed with 5800 mAh of battery, a bump from 5500 mAh, however with the same 65 watt fast charging speed. Now, for the launch date, the ROG Phone 9 series will debut on the 19th of November. Anyway, it seems like the ROG Phone 9 series will significantly uplift the gaming experience compared to its predecessor. Let me know what are your thoughts on it, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.